And we're back with another Teacher Help. I'm Adrian, and today we're going to be covering links and buttons in your virtual classroom. So, you can see right here, we kind of fixed up our virtual classroom a little bit for, it's another day, another session of class. So, we have this information here. We want to check out a PowerPoint that I've linked to this button right here. So, if we click this button, you can see it comes up with a link. And since I created it, I can add the link, I can copy the link, and I can just remove the link. But we want to just check out the link. Like if we're a student, that's what the students are going to be doing. And boom, it's about Inception too, because if you watch the last one, you can see that we're big fans of Inception. So, how do we do this? Well, let's talk about it, because it's actually surprising. It's super easy. Because it's actually super easy. It's a super easy thing to do. So first off, let's just delete all this. We'll leave that. That's no big deal. So first thing we want to do is we want to create something that would represent a button. So let's make a shape, and we'll just go with this arrow here, and we just press and hold, and boom, arrow is made. Now you can just right click it, and you can see link down here, but you can also just click right there and insert a link, and from there you can insert whatever link you want. So if you have a Google form, another Google slide, like I'm gonna link, maybe a doc or any kind of document. It doesn't have to be even a Google one. It could be a YouTube link, it could be a Vimeo, it could be anything in the world, maybe even a Facebook post. And so let's go over to our class here. So we want to share this with our class. So we're gonna hit share, make sure that anyone can view it with the link, make sure it's viewer, that way they can't change it. And now we're just gonna come back over here and we're just gonna paste that. And boom, there we go. And then look, you can see it's done. But maybe you don't want an arrow. Maybe you want like a button like I had earlier. Well, you can add a hyperlink to anything. So that's what that's called. It's called a hyperlink. So let's add an image. Let's search from the web. You can make any of these photos one, but hey, we'll type in button. And we'll go through here. We'll find a button we like. Let's see. Maybe this one will work. We'll see. Yeah, this one will work. It's a little big, so we'll just size that down. Make it a little smaller. We can right click it, and actually you can see when you put an image like that, link doesn't show up here. At least I don't see it. And if that's the case, just click up here, hit insert link, and then just boom, paste it in. And there you go. Now you have a button, and you can click that, and it takes you straight to it. So let's say in your virtual classroom, I only have 2 slides right now. Let's say you had, 30 slides, and you want your students to go to like slide 28, and you don't want to have to scroll down here and find it. You can also just go to insert link here, and you can see there's slides in this presentation. And if I had 30 slides, I'd show them here, but I only have 2. So we can just go to slide 2, hit apply, and boom, it takes you to slide 2. Which, if I had 30 slides, it'd be cooler, but I don't. So you can do something like that. And so that's how links and buttons work. So you're not actually clicking a button, you're just clicking the image to access a hyperlink. So that's all for today. I'm Adrian, and stay tuned for more Teacher Help. And also, we'll holler at you later.